Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Overleaf for beginners. Here are the beginner-friendly steps to use Overleaf on a Windows PC. First, open your preferred web browser. Then go to overleaf.com. This is the official website of Overleaf, a free online latex editor. Sign up or log in. Make sure to create an account using your email or sign in with Google or another option. Click on Create a new project, located at the top left corner after logging in. Choose blank project or a template. You can start fresh or choose from templates. For now, I'll choose blank project. Name your project. A dialog box will pop up. Enter a name for your document, like my first latex. Then hit create. Familiarize yourself with the layout. Left side, the text code editor. Right side, live preview of your document. Top bar, buttons for compiling, saving, sharing, etc. Write or paste some basic latex code. Start with this simple structure. Documents class article. Begin document. Hello, Overleaf. End document. Click Recompile button, top of page. This builds your document and shows the output on the right. Make edits and recompile again. Change text, add sections, bold words, using text BF with hi and hello inside curly brackets, and click Recompile to see updates. Use the menu button top left to download PDF. Click Menu, then just click PDF to download PDF and save your work locally. Explore the left file panel. Click the file icon to new folder and more that text files. Try templates and learn latex basics. Go to examples or templates for formatted documents and learn by editing them. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.